Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices, spices. Cloudy cooks.
Hey guys, so welcome back to another cooking video with your one and only Claudie Cooks in the kitchen. Today we are fusing the Middle East with the Caribbean heat to create some delicious Zaatar-Scotch bonnet wings that are sweet and spicy, and you are going to love this. So let's create these together. All of the ingredients will be listed in the description box below. So what are we waiting for, beautiful people? Let's get cooking. Woo-hoo! Let's marinate the washed chicken wings right in with some olive oil, some lemon juice, about 2 tablespoons. We're going to go in with 2 tablespoons of Za'atar. That's the Middle Eastern flavors, and it's got things like sumac, oregano, cumin, marjoram, sesame seeds. You know, it's got quite a lot of flavors in here, all in this little jar. So we're going in with 2 tablespoons, in with a tablespoon of chopped garlic, teaspoon of the zest of lemon. We've got some thyme, and now we're going in with some all-purpose seasoning. You can use whatever all-purpose you have. I use a variety of them, and some salt and black pepper. And now we're going to rub all these flavors in, and we're going to set it aside for about half an hour to an hour, overnight preferably. Time to marinate the wings. I'll see you when I'm getting them ready for the oven. Right, we brought the chicken wings down to room temperature, and now we're going to put them on a line baking sheet. I've got the oven being preheated already to 220 degrees Celsius, and we're going to cook these for about 35 to 40 minutes or until fully cooked. Right, in the oven they're going now, and don't forget to flip them over halfway through the cooking process, and I will see you once it's all done. Okay, whilst the chicken wing is finishing off in the oven, we've got about 6 minutes to go. We're going to make a quick glaze for it, and I've got the fire on medium. We're going to add about 3/4 of Scotch bonnet pepper, seeds removed, some chopped garlic. I'm going to saute that for about 1 to 2 minutes just to infuse it before we add the other ingredients. Oh my gosh, this is making me sneeze, the Scotch bonnet. Oh, wow. This is smelling really fragrant. I think we're ready. Going in with a tablespoon of honey, or to taste. Up with some pomegranate molasses. We're going in with 3 tablespoons. This is the Middle Eastern flavor profile. I've decided I want some soy sauce, so I'm putting in a spoonful of dark soy sauce. Just going to let this bubble for 2 to 3 minutes. Gosh, it smells so good. Just want to taste it. Wow. Let's get the wings out. That's what they're looking like at the moment. And I'm going to brush these with the glaze, and then we're going to put them back in the oven to get a bit more color onto them. Yeah, gorgeous. I can't find my basting brush, so I'm just going to toss them in here and then put them back on the tray to go in the oven on the grill for about 5 minutes until they're nice and golden. Okay, the glaze is finished. This is what it's looking like. Let's have a taste. Really good. Spicy, and you can taste that beautiful tart molasses on there. Oh my god, this is a flavor bomb. Now we're going to pour this beautiful dark glaze over these wings, and now we're going to give those a good toss. Right, let's grab the spatula. We're going to get them on the tray and back in the oven. We're just going to put them all back on the same pan that they've been roasted on. Just going to spread them all out and back in the oven, and we are going to grill these 5 to 6 minutes, flipping over during the process. So I'll see you back in a moment. This is what they're looking like after 5 minutes under the grill. I'm just going to brush them now with some more of the sauce because I found my brush. Let's do it. Beautiful, dark, sweet, spicy, just like me. Yes, I'm spicy and sweet. Right, and we're going to plate up in a mold, but before I do that, let's try one of the, oh, it's very hot. I have to get a fork because this is very, very hot. And I think what I might want to do with that, I'm going to take a bite first, like this. Oh my goodness. Wow. This is juicy, spicy, but just the right level of spicy, sweet, and I can taste that Za'atar and the pomegranate molasses. Oh my gosh, it is absolutely delicious. And now I'm going to go in with this Middle East labina that I made for the channel because I knew I was going to make this. And just to taper down the spices, we're just going to add this to it and take a bite. You have to try it. If you're liking this video, please subscribe, share, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of Claudie Cook's uploads. Give me a thumbs up too and drop your comments in the box. Looking forward to receiving those. Let's plate up. Look at that. Look at the stickiness on that. I bet you want some. Whoop. Delicious. Oh wow, look at that. Sticky. Sticky. Just going to drizzle a bit of olive oil over this. So I'm going to sprinkle some more of this Za'atar over the wings. We are just pop a bit of some mint. So we've got mint and parsley on that. I'm just going to get a pop of red as well. I thought the camera was rolling when I was putting some pomegranate seed over, and now we're going to sprinkle a few bit of Scotch bonnet for a bit more kick. And there you have it guys, my Zaatar-Scotch bonnet and pomegranate molasses fusion wings served up with a dipping Lebanese Middle Eastern dip. How tempting is that? Delicious. Enjoy.
Cloudy cooks bring sunshine into your life with some lovely food and Caribbean spices. Cloudy cooks bring sunshine